backrest on the Sportster now. It's a pretty dope backrest. And I got a passenger seat. So originally this damn thing's equipped with a solo seat, and I bought the passenger pillion off of their website because the actual seats that have 2 seats on them are way too expensive. And then for 130 bucks I got this quick detachable backrest for a passenger on Amazon, and it looks pretty dope. I like the setup. I thought about making a video about installing the 2 of them, but you know what? The backrest that I got, I can put the link in the description if you'd like. The backrest I got in their photos on Amazon, they already had a video of how to install it. And BLOCKHEAD has a decent video on how to install a passenger pillion, so anybody that looks it up is going to end up watching his video anyway, because he's a much more popular YouTuber than me. So I guess the point of this video is I'm sorry for not making videos on the Harley. I wanted to make videos on the Harley, but BLOCKHEAD makes better videos than me. I wonder what this poor truck did. Well, I guess while I was at the gas station would have been a good time to show you the damn passenger seat and backrest. Woo! Goddamn, I love Harley. Hell yeah, brother. What other modifications would y'all like to see me do on this 2008 Harley Davidson Sportster of mine? I thought about doing a good aftermarket air intake as well as a very free-flowing exhaust setup, and then going and getting this bike dyno tuned, only because this is the electronic fuel injected model, one of the earlier years of electronic fuel injection. So I thought that going and getting a dyno tuned might make for an interesting video, so that way we can see how much power a little 883 can make with a simple bolt-on modifications. But at the same time, I really don't care how fast this bike is, since I have my CBR 1000RR and this is just my commuter bike, so I really don't want to put all that much money into performance modifications. I'd rather just spend my time and my money doing maintenance and stuff like that. So is there any interest in DIY videos on doing maintenance and stuff like that on this bike? And if so, would my video even get seen at all? Because I'm sure there's much more popular moto vloggers out there that have probably made a video on how to do things like an oil change and primary fluid change and stuff like that on these bikes. There's like a little tennis meet or something going on here. And somebody's living out here for cheap. Alright. Find neutral, come on. Oh, did it, first try. I'm just going to very quickly show you all the backrest. So, passenger pillion, I kind of MacGyvered the leather strap in a more suitable position to actually be held onto, although obviously a passenger would probably be holding onto the rider anyway. But in BLOCKHEAD's video, the passenger strap looked like it was basically like they'd be sitting on it. There's no way for them to use it. So I hooked it up somewhere under the front seat. That way they could actually hold on to it a little bit. And then this backrest was black, so I liked it because it's black. And okay. Yeah, I got it. And it was $130 on Amazon. So that's the setup now on the Sportster. It's no longer like what you would have seen in the last video where I just had the solo seat on it. So comment down below if there are any videos with the Harley Davidson Sportster that you all would like to see. Maybe DIY videos, if that isn't already saturated on YouTube. And maybe some other stuff like modifications if I decide this bike is worth putting any money into, right? So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.